Welcome to Xpertstec. In this video, we will see how to upgrade Veeam Backup and Replication version 10 to version 10a released by Veeam. First of all, connect to Veeam Backup and Replication version 10 console, and the first thing we need to do is a backup of backup configuration that we already have implemented. Select the Veeam Backup menu and then click on Configuration Backup. Click on the option Backup Now. Select Show Hidden Icon and then Veeam Backup and Replication are available. This will take us to Veeam website. You can also read release notes for Veeam Backup and Replication 10a. Select the Download ISO button. Make sure you are logged in to download the version 10a. Please confirm that you are running version 9.5, update 3 or later version to upgrading. In the Veeam Backup and Replication console, click on the main menu, select Help and then click on About. To run the setup, mount the ISO file, double click on Setup file to proceed the installation. Select Upgrade, accept the end user license agreement and then click on Next. It will show us that it has detected a previous version of Veeam Backup and Replication. Click on the Next button to proceed with the upgrade. Click Next for Veeam Backup and Replication setup. Please specify an account for the Veeam Backup and Replication service. Click Next. It will tell you that you use the SQL instance that is already in use with the old version. Click Next. Database will be automatically upgraded. Click Yes. Click on the Install button. It will stop the services automatically and will start the upgrading process. It will start the services again and there you go. Click Finish. Once the installation is completed, we restart the Veeam server. After restarting, double click on the Veeam shortcut to open it. Click Apply to update components. Components successfully updated. Click Finish. We can see we already have the latest version of Veeam Backup and Replication 10a installed. If you face any problem, leave your comment on the comment section. If you want to purchase this service, contact us on WhatsApp or email address. Like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel for more solutions. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.